Imagine waking up each day with an unstoppable drive to face your fears. Sounds empowering, right? But what if I told you that this fearless mindset could actually become your biggest obstacle? Stick around, because what I'm about to share might change everything. Many people believe that being brave is the ultimate goal in self-improvement. Being self-being, be able to They tackle challenges head-on, feeling invincible. But here's the catch: that very bravery can lead to unexpected pitfalls that you might not see coming. Picture this: you're in a meeting and your boss presents a challenge. Instead of feeling anxious, you dive right in, thinking, "You've got this." But what if that boldness blinds you to the risks? You could overlook important details, and suddenly everything falls apart. It's a scenario many of us know well. What many don't realize is that this eagerness to take risks can chip away at your confidence over time. The more you push forward without considering the consequences, the more you set yourself up for failure, leading you to doubt your instincts and wonder if that fearless energy was just a facade. Here's where it gets tricky. The line between courage and recklessness is thin. You might charge into challenges, but is your heart truly in it? Or is it just thrill of the moment? This distinction can significantly impact your self-improvement journey. Let's consider another example. You decide to confront a lifelong fear: public speaking. You sign up for a workshop, convinced you'll shine. But when the moment arrives, that same fearlessness crumbles, and you freeze, watching all those brave intentions vanish. And what about the constant pressure to be brave? Society often celebrates the fearless. You scroll through social media, seeing others tackle their fears with ease, and suddenly you feel inadequate. This comparison can drag you down, leading to self-doubt and frustration. But there's a deeper issue at play. By ignoring your stress signals, you risk burnout. Your body is trying to communicate with you, but the rush of adrenaline drowns it out. You might feel invincible now, but that bravado can mask the signs of an impending collapse. So what can you do? Start by tuning into those subtle signs of discomfort. Ask yourself, am I really ready for this? It's not about avoiding challenges, it's about knowing when to pause and reflect. This balance can be your secret weapon. As we wrap up, remember bravery and fearlessness aren't just about charging ahead. They're also about understanding your limits and listening to your inner voice. Next time you feel that urge to leap, take a moment. Embrace the power of hesitation. The power of easiness. You might just find a clearer path to growth waiting for you. If this resonates with you, share your thoughts, and let's explore this journey together. What if I told you that your fearless mindset, the brave front you put on every day, might actually be steering you in the wrong direction? Surprising, right? But there's a hidden cost that comes with that confidence. Many people chase bravery, believing it's the key to self-improvement. Believing is the key to self-improvement. However, in your quest for courage, you might overlook important warning signs. The truth is, fearlessness can sometimes blind you to real risks. Imagining standing at the edge of a cliff, feeling the adrenaline rush and the wind against your face. It's thrilling, but what if you're so caught up in that excitement that you don't notice the rocky ground right below? This is where things can get tricky. People often dive into situations thinking bravery is the answer. Yet, that impulsive leap could lead to a rough landing both emotionally and physically. Ignoring your instincts or dismissing that little voice urging caution can land you in situations that feel more like traps than triumphs. Let's take a closer look. Picture yourself in a workplace where you tackle every challenge head-on. Sure, you might get noticed, but at what cost? You could be setting yourself up for burnout or pushing away those around you. Do you really want to be the lone wolf? Now consider relationships. Have you ever opened up and shown vulnerability without thinking it through? You might see it as bravery, but overexposing yourself can leave you feeling raw and unprotected. When you lay everything on the table without the right context, it can backfire, making you feel more isolated instead of connected. The stakes rise even higher when it comes to your mental health. The pressure to always be brave can create an internal struggle. You might be hiding anxiety or self-doubt behind a mask of courage. This brave face can become a heavy burden, making it difficult to express your true feelings. But what if I told you there's a way to embrace bravery without letting it take over? There's a delicate balance between courage and caution that many overlook. It's not about eliminating fear, it's about understanding it. So, how do you navigate this tricky path? Start by checking in with yourself. Ask what's motivating your actions. Is it genuine bravery or just a response to societal pressure? This simple question could lead to valuable insights. And remember, being vulnerable doesn't mean you're weak. There's real strength in recognizing your fears and accepting them as part of your journey. As we wrap up, think about this: true bravery isn't about being fearless, it's about being aware of your fears and moving forward while understanding the risks involved. So, the next time you feel that urge to be fearless, take a moment to pause and reflect. Embrace the journey with all its complexities, and remember, courage and caution can go hand in hand. If this resonates with you, take a moment to reflect on your own journey. Share your thoughts or experiences below. You never know who might connect with them. Have you ever thought about how bravery can be a double-edged sword? Picture this: you dive headfirst into challenges, convinced that fearlessness is your greatest strength. But what if that very mindset is actually setting you up for failure? Many people overlook how embracing fearlessness can become a trap. It's not just about overcoming fears, it's also about the risks that come with it. Today, we're diving into the unexpected dangers of a fearless mindset. Imagine you leap into a new venture fueled by pure courage. Sounds empowering, right? But what if that same impulse blinds you to potential pitfalls? Ignoring warning signs can lead to serious consequences, and many of us fall into this pattern. Think of someone who jumped into a new business without a solid plan. They were fearless, but that boldness resulted in a financial disaster. They did see the flaws in their strategy until it was too late. What if that were you? The truth is, fearlessness often masks deeper insecurities. While it may feel like you are taking charge, you might actually be avoiding self-reflection. It's in those quiet moments of doubt that real growth occurs. Yet you could be pushing forward, unaware of the warning signs. Sure, here's the tightened version of